Let us see the question number 49, that is about find the variance of distribution shown in the figure. Find the variance of distribution shown in the figure. So this is what uniform distribution, that is given here, uniform distribution, and is given as p of x. This is p of x. P of x, this is 1 by delta, 1 by delta amplitude, and this is what minus delta by 2, and this is plus delta by 2. Okay, this is x. So this is my find the variance of this distribution. What is the variance for this variance? So variance is nothing but, as we know very well, variance is what? This is my sigma square. Yes, variance, which is given as what? Variance is equal to x. This is mean square value of x minus mean of square of mean. So this is my variance. Okay, so this is what variance. First of all, calculate mean. What is this mean? So mean of this is expectation of x is equal to how much? If you see the expectation, so mean about is always mean about 0. Yes, so if you see mean is nothing but integration. So integration from way to way minus delta by 2 to plus delta by 2. Yes, into x into p of x dx is equal to what? Is equal to integration minus delta by 2 to plus delta by 2. Yes, x into what? P of x 1 by delta dx is equal to what? This is what? 1 by delta integration of x is what? X square by 2. Okay, so limit minus delta by 2 to plus delta by 2, so which is nothing but equal to 1 by 2 delta. Okay, upper limit delta square by 2 minus lower limit delta square by 2. Yes, this will get cancelled out and it become 0. So therefore, what is mean? Mean is nothing but 0. Yes, 0. You can see always here mean is central part. Which one is central part? This. Directly you can say what mean. So mean for this is how much? Center part. What is the center part here? 0. So that's why the mean is always 0. For uniform distribution, so uniform distribution, the mean is always center. Mean is always midpoint. Where is the midpoint? Is 0. So this midpoint is nothing but expectation or mean. Okay, so expectation or mean. So there is no need of to do this just by this way. So directly you can say the mean is what? Mean is always about midpoint. Okay, always midpoint is what? Mean. That is what? Expectation. So now see mean square value. What is mean square value? Mean square value, expectation. Okay, so mean square value is equal to what? Integration minus delta by 2 to plus delta by 2 into x square p of what? X dx. P of x dx is equal to what? Is equal to integration minus delta by 2 to plus delta by 2. Yes, x square. Okay, so this is x square. How much? P of x is 1 by delta into dx, which is equal to what? 1 by delta. This is what? X square. Integration is x cube divided by 3. Okay, so limit is what? Minus delta by 2 to plus delta by 2. Yes, so this is what? 1 by 3 delta. So put here upper limit is how much? Delta cube by 8. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit is minus delta cube by 8. Okay, so this is what? Delta cube by 8. Okay, so now see here expectation square. This is equal to what? If you see this, expectation square is equal to what? Delta cube 1 by 3 delta into what? Into 2 delta cube divided by 8 is equal to what? Delta square. What? Delta square by what? Delta square by 12. What? 12. Yes, so this is my what? Mean square value. Okay, so now see, put here what is variance? Variance is nothing but, if we see variance is nothing but mean square value, that is delta square by 12 that we got from here. Okay, so minus mean is what? 0 square, which is nothing but delta square by 12. Yes, by 12. So therefore variance is nothing but delta square by 12. Delta square by 12. Okay, so this is my variance. Variance is delta square by 12. So delta square by 12. And one other shortcut for uniform, if the distribution is uniform, for that how we can calculate variance with shortcut. Okay, so there is what another expression for variance. This is only for uniform distribution. Sigma square is equal to what? B minus A whole square divided by 12. So that is only for uniform distribution. So what is B? B is what? Upper limit. How much is this? Delta by 2. Yes, minus. Lower limit is what? Minus delta by 2. Yes, minus delta by 2. So this is what? Whole square. Divided by 12 is equal to how much? Delta square by 2 plus delta square by 2 is what? Delta square. So this is what? Delta square by 12. Okay, so therefore mean square is equal to what? Therefore variance is equal to what? Delta square by 12. Okay, so this is what about this is what shortcut you can do by this method. If you know this is only valid for uniform distribution, and otherwise you can go by general method. So that we do, okay, as usual. So this is the answer for this is delta square by 12, and hence the answer is D. Okay, option is D. So D option for question number 49. Okay, so question number 49. Okay, so this is about what? Variance of this uniform distribution function. Always remember that the expectation or mean for the uniform distribution, there is no need to solve by this general method. So you can directly observe the mean is nothing but it is a central part of the distribution. What is the central part of distribution here? This is nothing but midpoint. Where is the midpoint? 0. So therefore we can say that expectation is what? 0. Mean is 0. Okay, so this is all about question number 49. So let us move to question number 50, and the answer is delta square by 12, and option number D is correct. Okay, so let us see.